Good morning, class. Today is Monday, October the 20th, and this week we are not doing SAP. So I know that will make some of you very happy, but I hope that overall that you see the importance of having been exposed to the software, even though it was difficult and even though it was at times perhaps cumbersome and complicated, and things just wouldn't work out right, or there was a mistake 15 pages back. And I hope that overall you understand the importance of you having been exposed to this level of software. Now, this is an Introduction to Information Systems class, and we are throwing you into one of the most complex information systems on the planet. So it's no surprise, really, that there was some issues here or there. But the exposure that you got from that is worth so much more than the frustration of what you went through. So I hope you see the academic value of the exercises, even though in the middle of it you probably didn't enjoy it very much. But this week we're back into our regular routine. So let's look at the calendar. Here in the calendar, today's October the 20th, as I mentioned earlier. We're going to be doing this week and looking at Chapter 5 and plug it in number 4. So let me pull these up in Wiley Plus and discuss these activities that are due so that we're all on the same page as to what we're looking for. Here for Chapter 5, you're looking at Apply the Concept 5.1. And in this activity, you're reviewing back through this section, the chapter section here, 5.1. The background is that there's a lot of references to Henry Mintzberg's book called The Nature of Managerial Work. And so what you're going to do is look at that and then watch this video that's linked here for data-driven decision making. This is about a school that uses the data that they capture in their management decision making for their teachers to understand how they can better serve their students. So what you're going to do is to go back and do a little research on the book, watch the video, and then apply the two together. You're going to see how the school and the data-driven decision-making video could be applying the managerial concepts from Mintzberg's work. And so you're going to write a short paper, a couple of paragraphs, detailing how the schools use data to make better decisions. You can talk to me, or you can talk to some of your other professors, or you can just kind of go off of what you know about our university and see if there's any types of data systems similar on campus. And if there are, then you can comment on those. If they're not, then you can make some comments as to what type of data-driven decision making we should have on campus to make better decisions. So you're really applying, that's the point of all these activities, is to apply the concepts from the chapter to the real world. So that's activity 5.1. And the apply the concept for plug it in 4.1 is where you're going to look at an application of artificial intelligence. This is about the Google self-driving car. There's a video here, and it's really interesting, concept, and I think it's coming. I don't know when it'll be widely available, but I believe it is coming, that we will have access to self-driving vehicles. But the point of the activity here is for you to consider advantages and disadvantages. Now, the table is laid out wrong. There should be another column here to the left that describes where you've got the situation, which is the tired driver, and then you list advantages and disadvantages. And then the next situation is distracted driver, and you're going to build out the table of advantages and disadvantages. So the table example is wrong. These items should be in the left-hand column called situations. So you're going to watch the video, think about artificial intelligence, think about how it could be applied in so many different situations. But for this one, you're going to think about self-driving cars and the impact that could have on our business world. I mean, imagine if you could just get in your vehicle and it would drive you to work. So now your commute time, you're able to be productive rather than having to focus on the drive. Now, that could be good or bad, but I want you to at least consider it and build out this table of advantages and disadvantages. So those are the two activities that you need to be working on for before class, and also you have the two quizzes for Chapter 5 and Apply the Concept 4. And so you've got those two quizzes that are both due, and these activities that are due by 11:59 tomorrow night, Tuesday, October 21st. And then I will see you in class on Wednesday. Everybody have a great day.